Imagine a bird's-eye view of construction sites, a real-time chronicle of progress, and a dazzling display of technological might. Welcome to the world of West Boca aerial photography, where we harness the power of the drone to revolutionize construction site monitoring. Imagine if you could oversee your entire project from the sky, capturing every detail in high resolution and documenting every stage of development. That's the magic of the drone, a game changer in construction site monitoring. Our fleet of drones take to the skies with an advanced camera system, capable of capturing 20-megapixel color images and 5K video. It's like having a hawk-eyed supervisor, tirelessly watching over your site day and night. Through the lens of the enterprise-level drones, the construction site transforms into a living, breathing entity. You can watch as the foundations are laid, as the walls rise, and as the roof reaches towards the sky. It's a narrative of progress, told through stunning aerial footage. But it's not just about capturing beautiful images. It's about data, insights, and efficiency. Our fleet of drones allow you to monitor site safety and progress, identify potential issues before they become problems, and streamline operations. It's a tool that not only saves time and money, but also enhances the quality of your work. Imagine being able to track your project's progress, from breaking ground to cutting the ribbon, with the precision and detail that only aerial photography can provide. That's what we offer at West Boca Aerial Photography. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a drone pilot to benefit from this technology. We handle everything from flight planning to data analysis, so you can focus on what you do best, building the future. So why wait? Change your perspective. Elevate your project management. Discover the power of our enterprise drones with West Boca Aerial Photography. It's time to take your construction site monitoring to new heights. Contact us today.